Welcome. If you're someone who loves staying updated on all the activity around your pins, you're going to love this new Pinterest update. Today, I'll show you exactly how to allow in-app notifications for when someone tries your pin on Pinterest, right from your PC. This way, you'll never miss out on any interaction, especially when someone comments with a photo on the pins you've saved. Let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Pinterest. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see a list of options. Find and click on Settings. This will open up a new page with all your account preferences. Now, inside the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Click on it to reveal all the different notification options Pinterest offers. This is where you can customize exactly what you want to be notified about. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Comments with photos at pins you saved. This is the new feature that lets you know when someone interacts with your pins by adding a photo in the comments. To enable this, simply switch the toggle to in-app. This means you'll get a notification directly within Pinterest whenever someone comments with a photo on one of your saved pins. Don't forget the final step. Click Save at the bottom of the page. This ensures all your changes are applied, and you're set to receive these new notifications, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you've made sure you'll always be in the loop when people engage with your pins in creative ways. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.